Hello, and welcome to day 5, Friday, April 9th. It is our last day of spring break. Remember, next week we do not have classes. Classes will resume on April 19th. Let's see what we have to do for today. It is a Friday, so that means it's an async day. We will not meet together on class as a on Zoom, but we will have some some of you will join me to meet with Ernest to talk about your Spark Lexile levels. So let's see what you have to do for async. So you have to read the article Right on the Money. So you will go into Spark and search Right on the Money. And then you will do an activity making a budget. Remember, you need to sign into your Carlos Rosario email first, then come back to Schoology, click on My Document, click on Edit. And then here is the activity. So you are just going to talk about 3 to 5 financial goals that you have. All right. So here's the example. I will save $5,000 in the next year because I want to put a down payment on a house. Right. So you will just follow that format. It can be whatever financial goals you may have in the next few months, in the next few years, just what the financial goal is, why, and why. And in the middle box, you'll write because. And that's it for async. And I do have office hours from 10 to 11, but the following people will be meeting me at the different times. I will post below. And here's the list of the people who need to meet with Ernest and I. Please make sure you have your Spark page open and be ready to share screen. And that's it. Enjoy your spring break. Remember to take this time and relax. During the 1 hour and a half we usually have class, please make sure you take time to yourself and just relax and recuperate and recharge. All right, my friends, that's it. Enjoy your spring break.